Hope you all doing well. So in today's session, we have hand, so that you can you'll get that chance. Okay. So we have 17 participants here. So Lakshmi Prasanna. Lakshmi Prasanna. Lakshmi Prasanna.
Parvati ma'am, 1 second.
Yes.
Let me talk with the students. Yeah, hello students. Happy morning, one and all. Please on your webcams, everybody. We want to see your happy faces today. On your webcams, everybody. I need to see your faces. Yes, yes. Yeah. Everyone, you have to on your webcams. మేము కనిపిస్తున్నాం కదండి మీకు మీరు కూడా మాకు కనిపించాలి సో జస్ట్ ఆన్ యువర్ వెబ్ క్యామ్స్ we just want to interact with you. ఎస్ ఎవరైనా చెప్తారమ్మా ఈ బ్యాచ్ 4 కి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎవరు చెప్తున్నారు ఏ టీచర్ చెప్తున్నారు నెక్స్ట్ పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కి ఏ ట్రైనర్ చెప్తున్నారు చెప్తారా ఎవరైనా మీకు నేమ్స్ ఐడియా ఉన్నాయా
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
ఎస్ హూ ఇస్ దిస్ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటంటే ఏదైనా ఆన్సర్ చేసినప్పుడు జస్ట్ సే యువర్ నేమ్ యువర్ కాలేజ్ నేమ్ అండ్ దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఓకే రైట్
ఓకే
yes yes go on
myself I'm Sujita ma'am
yes
I'm studying East Godavari district GJC Rajmahendravaram
wow
and my communication skills trainer name is Purnima ma'am and my English teacher name is SN Sujata ma'am.
Good one.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good, Sujita.
Yes. Only few members on the webcams. All of you, please on your webcams. Sneha, Mallikarjuna, Chinnari, Ashok, Navya. Let me see your faces. We are new to you, right? Just on your webcams.
Yes, Pawan is here.
Thank you, Pawan. Good one.
Munni, Manisha, Jyoti.
Navya, yes. Yes. Thank you all. As ma'am said, Pranita ma'am cheppinattuga and Parthi ma'am cheppinattuga, today we'll be having Viva session. Okay. So, meeku questions, answers teliste ganaka just raise your hand and answers cheppinappudu మీ పేరు మీ కాలేజ్ నేమ్ and then you have to answer. Okay. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరి పేరున వాళ్ళ యొక్క మార్క్స్ మేము మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నామమ్మా జస్ట్ టు నో దాట్ మీరు ఈ క్లాసెస్ లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు అనేది చెప్పగలిగితే చాలు ఓకే సో మీకు టాపిక్స్ ఏం చెప్పారో ఐడియా ఉంది ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏం చెప్పారు పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో ఏం చెప్పారో మీకు అయితే ఐడియా ఉంది రైట్ అవి చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది సో ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ మొత్తం మీకు పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు ఓకే ఫస్ట్ 1 hour సెకండ్ 1 hour ఇంగ్లీష్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాము ఓకే సో మీకు తెలిసిందైతే జస్ట్ రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్ మ్యామ్ మిమ్మల్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తారు దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఓకే సో దిస్ ఈ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పకపోతే చెప్తే ఏమవుతుందో నేను చెప్తాను. సో మీ ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్తే మీ కాలేజ్ నేమ్‌ని మీరు ఒక గుడ్ నేమ్ తెచ్చినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మీ కాలేజ్ పేరు మీరే నిలబెట్టాలి కాబట్టి యూ హావ్ టు ఆన్సర్. ఓకే. సో అంతేకాదు మీకు ఎంత వరకు నేర్చుకున్నారో మిమ్మల్ని మీరు అసెస్ చేసుకోవడానికి మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ our time, let's start our session. I'll give the session to Parvati ma'am.
So once again, happy morning, children. Welcome to the session. Shall we start? So I'll ask simple things. Okay. So tell about your hobbies. Hobbies. Who wants to answer this question? About your hobbies. You can raise your hand. We just wanted to interact with you, not asking questions, nothing. Yeah, Sujita M. Yes. Sujita, unmute yourself. Sujita, very happy to see your smiling face.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
My
You can
hobbies,
tell.
ma'am. Reading
Yeah,
books.
Sujita, remember that as ma'am said, you have to give your name and your college name.
Okay, ma'am. Myself, I'm Sujita. I'm studying second year MPC at East Godavari district, GJC Rajamahendravaram.
Very good, Sujita.
My hobbies is reading books and listening music.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, apna ji kar leja.
So the remaining students, please be in mute. Yes, your hobbies are listening.
Reading books and listening music, ma'am.
Very good. So what type of songs do you like to listen?
Melody songs, ma'am.
Melodious songs. Why don't you say that in a sentence? I like to listen melodious songs. Okay. Okay. So which type of books do you like to read?
History, ma'am.
Again, I said you to say full sentence.
Okay. I'm reading books, history types of books, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. You like to read history books. Very good. Yeah, very good. So anything else can you share about yourself? Means the hobbies, your favorite things. Introduce yourself. Sujita? Introduce yourself. Yeah, you can unmute. Sujita, I think you are in mute now. Yes, unmute yourself, Sujita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you can. So please introduce yourself, Sujita.
Myself, I'm Sujita. I'm studying second year MPC, East Godavari district, GJC Rajamahendravaram, ma'am.
So you include your hobbies also in your introduction.
And my hobbies is reading books and listening music. There are 4 members in my family. My father, mother, and my sister, including me. My father has a construction worker and my mother has a housewife. My sister studying at 10th class at Rajamahendravaram ZPP High School, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
That's sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sujita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sujita. Thank you for your participation. Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Yeah. Yeah, Muni. Muni. Muni, switch on your camera, Muni. So Muni, now give your details like which college you are from and what are
Government
the
Junior College in Rajul, ma'am, East Godavari district.
Government Junior College, Rajul, East Godavari district. Very good. So say about your hobbies.
My hobbies is dancing, ma'am,
Mm,
singing, ma'am,
mm.
and draw pictures, ma'am.
Drawing pictures. Okay. Muni, a little small correction to you that you said about number of hobbies of yours, dancing, everything. So don't use is, use are. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
My hobbies are. It's not wrong, Muni. It's not wrong.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now using are, tell the sentence. My hobbies are.
నాకు డాన్సింగ్ పాటలు పాడడం
Say that in English. What you said, it is correct. Previous sentence, what you said is correct.
మై హాబీస్ ఆర్ డాన్సింగ్ సింగింగ్
Mm.
సింగింగ్ సాంగ్స్
Mm.
డ్రాయింగ్ పిక్చర్స్
Mm.
లిజనింగ్ మ్యూజిక్
Very good.
ఎక్సెట్రా మ్యామ్.
Yeah. Which type of songs do you prefer to listen, Muni?
పీస్ఫుల్ సాంగ్స్ మ్యామ్.
Peaceful
మెలోడీ
songs,
సాంగ్స్.
melody songs. Oh, very good. Thank you, Muni. So, anybody else? So, now you, Muni and Sujita shared with us about their hobbies. So, can anybody tell about your family? Family. About your family. Is that a nuclear family or a joint family? The members of your, how many members are there in your family? Can anybody? About your family, or else you can share your views. What have you learned in these sessions about your family? So someone responded.
One students can. Yes. I think it's Surya.
Yes. Surya. Surya, you can unmute yourself now. Surya, you can unmute yourself now.
Joint family. 6 members.
Hmm. Yeah. Anything about others, please be in mute. So you're from which college, Parimala? Parimala? Ma'am, please unmute her. Arepalli Navya Parimala. She's speaking, but she's in mute. Parimala, now you can speak.
I'm studying in NTR Government College.
MPR Government College. So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
in which district?
Krishna district.
Krishna district. Very good. So tell about your family.
Father, mother, sister,
Mm.
two sisters, ma'am.
You have two sisters. Very good.
Grandmother.
So in these sessions, I think you have attended to all the sessions. Yes, right? Have you attended to all the sessions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What have you learned about family in this session? సో నీకు ఫ్యామిలీ గురించి తెలుసు అండ్ సెషన్స్ లో మళ్ళీ ఫ్యామిలీ గురించి చెప్పారు కదా సో అప్పుడు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు సో నీకు గుర్తున్న నా హెడ్డింగ్స్ కానీ ఏమన్నా సో హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ని మెంబర్స్ ని బట్టి ఎన్ని టైప్స్ కింద మనం డివైడ్ చేయొచ్చు ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ పరిమళ థ్యాంక్ యూ about your best friend
PDH is ready, I think so. Mama, please unmute him.
నేనేమంటున్నా అంటే చాలా మంది రెడీగా వస్తారు అనుకున్నాను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ గురించి షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి
Students, raise your hand. I'll unmute.
Mama, Pranita Mama, PDH tanu chepta annaru, just unmute him. PDH.
సింపుల్ థింగ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ నేమ్స్ చెప్పొచ్చు అండ్ హౌ దే హెల్ప్ యూ చెప్పొచ్చు అండ్ వై యూ చూస్ హిమ్ హర్ యాజ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు సో చాలా మంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఒకళ్ళు చాలా బెస్ట్ గా ఉంటారు వై ఉంటారా ఒకళ్ళే బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఎస్ ఎస్ షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా ఆ విషయాలు మేము విందాం అనుకుంటున్నాం Tell about your best friend, his name or her name.
Naveen ma'am.
Yeah, may I know who is that? Who is speaking?
My name is Ram, ma'am.
Ramu, very good. First, tell about your college. Which college you are from?
SKPG Junior College, Ramchandra, second campus, ma'am.
SKPD Junior College. In which district that is?
Ramchandrapuram, ma'am.
Ramchandrapuram. Oh, East Godavari district.
East Godavari district, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Ramu. So now tell about your best friend.
Naveen, ma'am.
Hmm.
Naveen, ma'am.
His name is Navin. Why he is your
Yes,
best
ma'am.
friend? Why he is your best friend?
She's best friend.
Hmm.
అదే సార్ చెప్పడం అలా చెప్పండి.
చాలా మంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ లో నీకు నవీన్ ఎందుకు బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ అయ్యాడు? ఓకే, నవీన్ గురించి చెప్పు పోని. నవీన్ గురించి what is he studying, how he behaves?
మ్యామ్
Hmm.
గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్ మ్యామ్ నవీన్.
Navin is a good student.
అదే నాకు ఏదైనా కష్టంలో ఉంటాం సాయం చేస్తారు నా నవీన్ ఎప్పుడు.
So he follows a friend in need is a friend indeed.
మ్యామ్
Yeah, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Hmm. ఇంకా
ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే
అంటే ఎప్పటి నుంచి మీ ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ క్లాస్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్?
3 years మ్యామ్.
3 years means which class? Where you have become friends?
10th క్లాస్ నుంచి మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, 10th క్లాస్. సో మీ ఇద్దరికి హౌ యూ ఇద్దరికి పరిచయం ఎలా అయింది?
పబ్లిక్ లో మ్యామ్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో పరిచయం అయ్యింది మ్యామ్. ఎస్ఎస్సి 10th పబ్లిక్ లో పరిచయం అయింది. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కూడా నాతో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి నాతో చదువుతాను మ్యామ్.
Yeah, very good. Okay, now so anything else about your friend? Okay, thank you, Ramu. Rajesh and Iswar also raising their hands. We'll give them chance to. Rajesh and Iswar Rao.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is V. Ishwarra
V. Iswar Rao. Yeah.
in RRBHR College in Pittapuram in East Godavari district.
So you're from Pittapuram.
Yeah, I'm telling about my friend.
Mm.
My friend name was Mama Hesh,
Mm.
and my friendship started in 5th class. And now my friend was studying degree first year in BSc.
Mm. Anything about your friend? How he looks? How he looks? Can you describe your friend? How he looks? మాకు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ఎలా ఉంటాడో తెలియదు కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you describe him? Is he tall or short? How he
Tall,
looks?
handsome గా ఉంటాడు మేడం.
Yeah, that is the word.
And
Yes,
also బాగా చదువుతాడు మేడం.
yes, very good.
He's also first ranker and decent boy.
Very good.
No.
He's tall, decent, handsome, studies good.
Yes, ma'am.
So what about Rajesh? You said about your friend Iswar and Rajesh. Your friend Rajesh ని కూడా.
రాజేష్ మ్యామ్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ తెలుగు తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడచ్చు.
Both the languages, but already you
Both
are
the-
using more English words.
ఎస్
ఎలాగో
మ్యామ్
more English words use చేస్తున్నారు కదా.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Yes, Rajesh.
Right.
Rajesh,
morning,
are
ma'am.
you from the good morning? Are you from the same college?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
East Godavari district, ma'am.
Yes.
Government Junior College
Hmm.
in Pitapuram.
Now tell about your friend Rajesh.
My friend name is Vinnu, ma'am.
Hmm.
And he's studying in second year, ma'am.
Hmm.
My college.
Yeah, meet in first year, ma'am. Second year, ma'am.
Hmm.
And he is short boy.
Hmm.
చాలా है.
We just want to see you. Yeah, thank you. Good one.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh and Ishwar. And we have Chinnari, and she also wants to talk with us. Yeah, V Chinnari GJC Polavaram.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. May I know your name?
Darshita, madam.
What's your name?
Darshita,
One.
ma'am.
Can you please?
I am from Sunby PC in Government Junior College, Polavaram. Government Polavaram.
Yeah, you are from Polavaram.
అవును మ్యామ్. ట్రైనర్ నేమ్ ఉంది మ్యామ్.
Yeah, okay. Yes, yes. You tell about your friend. నీ ఫ్రెండ్ గురించి చెప్పమ్మా.
ఏంటి మ్యామ్?
నీ ఫ్రెండ్, బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్. నీ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ గురించి చెప్పు. నీ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ గురించి చెప్పు తల్లి. Yes, about your best friend. First, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
Tisha, ma'am.
Oh, Sirisha is your best friend. Tell about her.
ఏంటి మ్యామ్?
Tell about her. From which class onwards you both are friends?
Tisha are my best friends.
Yeah. I think she has some signal issues. అది తనకి వాయిస్ క్లియర్గా లేదు. Hepzibah ma'am, shall we ask some other girl?
Yes, Mama. Neerja raised her hand.
Yes, Neerja Muni. Yeah, you can unmute now. Nirza, Munni, Manish,
Unmute.
Shruti.
Ma'am, my best friend name is Munni, ma'am.
Hmm.
She helps me in every situation. She take cares about me.
Hmm.
When I am afraid, she tell me that don't be afraid. Do more. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nirza. మేడం అనౌన్స్మెంట్ ఏదో చేస్తున్నారు కదా.
No, Mama. I was.
Good morning, madam.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. Now you can speak.
My name is Madhya. I'm studying second year by PC. My name is Jessica. My hobbies are playing game, watching TV.
Very good. Now tell about your best friend.
My daily aim is
Best friend. About your best friend.
best friend Vika.
What's her name? Can you tell anything about her?
She is very she's a girl. She's a trainer studying. జెసి పోలవరం వెస్ట్ గోదావరి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మ్యామ్.
పోలవరం వెస్ట్ గోదావరి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. వెరీ గుడ్.
హాబీస్ ఆర్ reading books, playing games.
Very good. Now tell okay, tell about your
trainer
family.
Miss Poona Shatra. English name is Chinnari. My best friend are Lavanya. She is very intelligent girl.
Your best friend is Lavanya. She's very intelligent
And good character, ma'am.
good character.
She is an innocent girl.
She's so innocent also. Intelligent and innocent.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Anita. So
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, Anita. Thank you, Anita. Are there any friends with you to share their views? ఇంకా నీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు అక్కడ? ఓకే. Shanti Sri raised her hand. We'll give chance to her. Thank you, Anita. Shanti Sri? Shanti Sri, you can unmute yourself now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shanti Sri.
I am not Shanti Sri, ma'am. I am Akshaya, ma'am.
Akshaya, but the name is Shanti Sri.
Yes, ma'am. My madam name, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
My ma'am's handed mobile, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am. My
You're
name is
from
Akshya.
which?
My name is Akshya. I'm studying Government Junior College, Rajul, second CEC. My best friend is Sharon, and she is my well-wisher. I would like to reading books. My hobbies are watching TV and reading books. My principal name is SVV Satyanarayana. Satyanarayana Reddy Garu. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshya. So someone also Prasanti Pindiprolu. Yeah, Prasanti, you can unmute yourself now. Prashanti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you Prashanti?
My name is Navya, ma'am.
Navya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Navya.
I'm studying second MPC English medium, ma'am, in RRB College, East Godavari, Pittapuram, ma'am. I'm from Pittapuram, ma'am. My bestie name is Haryana, ma'am. My besties lots of show me care and love, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
I love my bestie, ma'am.
Anything else about your bestie?
Ma'am?
Anything about your best friend? So
My bestie
from
is so handsome, ma'am.
Beautiful.
My bestie studying second MPC, ma'am, English medium, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Navya. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So next, can anyone tell about your daily routine? Daily routine. మీ డైలీ రొటీన్ చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా. డైలీ రొటీన్ మీన్స్ డైలీ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏం చేస్తారు అనేది. డైలీ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏం చేస్తారో అది. సో మీరు డైలీ చేసే యాక్టివిటీసే ఎవరు చెప్తారు? గోయింగ్ టు
Chinnari GJC follower raised his hand.
Okay, unmute her, ma'am. Unmute her, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Udayka. I'm studying
May I know your name, Nana?
Junior follower, Godavari district. My hobbies playing game. My hobbies are playing are bookings, reading things, daily activity, routine.
Okay. Answer చేస్తారు. That's a good thing. And now we'll go for English session. Okay. So before that, let me activate your moods. Okay. So I'll just ask you questions, general questions adugutanamma. Me answer yes aithe, then show me your thumbs up. Okay. So em ledu. Did you have your breakfast? And annan ankondi. If you had your breakfast, then show me your thumbs up. If not, give me a clap. Okay. So please on your webcams, all of you, everyone. I should see everyone here. Yeah, college students. Class lo కూర్చున్న వాళ్ళు కూడా participate చేయాలి. Okay. So if your answer is yes, then you have to show me your thumbs up. thumbs up. Okay. And if your answer is no, then you have to clap. A single clap is enough. Okay. Are you ready? Yes or no? Good one. Okay. So did you had your breakfast? Okay. Yes. Are you sitting? Are you seated? Sitting? Okay. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Okay. Did you like personality development classes? Did you like English classes? Okay. So did you like Parvati ma'am who asked you questions? Okay. Okay. Do you like milk? Do you like milk? Do you like chocolate? Oh, so many likes chocolate. Okay. Do you like ice cream? Oh. Do you like biryani? Yum, yum, yummy. Biryani. Are you standing? Not like no. I said no. Are you standing? Yes or no? If yes, show me a thumbs up. If no, clap. Yes, Sandeep, are you standing? Okay. So, do you like chicken? Yeah, Neeraj Muni. And are you vegetarians? Are you vegetarians? Okay. Do you follow daily routines? Do you follow daily routines? Do you know about yourself? Yes, so many of you know about yourself. Okay, then tell me about yourself. Anyone, tell me about yourself. Just introduce yourself. Already ma'am chepparu, but let me ask some people. Introduce yourself. Anyone.
So you raise your hands, ma'am will unmute you.
Yes. Yes, someone is answering. You don't know about yourself. ఇందాక చాలా మంది thumbs up చూపించారు. We know about ourselves. Yes.
Ma'am, Neeraza, Muni, and Manisha, they have raised their hand. Yes.
Yes.
So are you yeah, are you
Please
doing?
unmute.
Yeah.
Yes, ma, unmute yourself and speak.
My name is Muni, ma'am.
Yes, Muni, can you
I'm
take
studying the second BPC in Government Junior College, Rajul, East Godavari district, ma'am.
Okay.
I know my self, ma'am. I know about myself, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm studying well, ma'am. But I want to improve my study Very well, ma'am.
Okay. So you want to study very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your goal? Can I ask you a goal?
My goal is agriculture.
Your goal is?
My goal is become a agriculture man.
Okay, you want to become an agriculture officer.
As studying agriculture.
Okay. Yeah, good thing. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
if you want to become an agriculture officer, what do you want to study further? Agriculture officer అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చదవాలి?
BSc agriculture.
Yeah, okay, BSc agriculture. Okay then. Can you talk about your family?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Go on.
We are 5 in number, ma'am.
Okay.
My father name is Srinivas Rao.
Okay.
My mother name is Sita Ratnam. She is a housewife. I have 2 elder sisters. First sister was a lecturer in Arts College, Rajahmundry, and second sister studying degree in Rajolu Government Degree College.
So your mother is a homemaker.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you help your mother often?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes.
Yes, I got that smile. Yeah, thank you, thank you, Muni.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Uday? Uday Kumar, you raise your hand. Yes, you can speak.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Uday. I study second CEC. Government Junior College, Polvaram, West Godavari District, College Code 0448. My topic name is Mahatma Gandhi. Was a great freedom fighter who developed his life of Indian independence. Is also canon father of the national because is a great constitution is Indian freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was born. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you, Uday Kumar, for speaking about Mahatma Gandhi Garu. That's it. Let's continue with the discussion. Please continue with videos themselves. So if you know yourself, tell me about yourself.
My name is Uday Karan. I study second CEC.
Okay.
Government Junior College, Polvaram. My topic name is Mahatma Gandhi. My hobbies are video playing games, reading books.
So you like to play video games.
Reading books.
Which video game do you like most?
Playing games, watching videos.
Watching?
Reading books.
You like watching movies, huh? Okay. Which movie do you like the most? Which movie do you like the most, or else what is the recent movie you have watched? What is the recent movie you have watched?
I'm not interested, man.
Okay, so you have said that you like video games, playing video games. So what is the video game you like most? ఏ వీడియో గేమ్ అంటే మీకు బాగా ఇష్టం?
I don't know.
Yeah, is it okay?
Voice over.
Okay. So I think your voice is fluctuating. Just a minute, okay? Thank you so much for the answers. Yes, sir. Shanti Sri and Shashi Kumar both have raised their hand. Okay. Okay. Let me give chance for Shanti and to you, Shashi. Just a minute. Okay.
Hi, ma'am. This is Pavnika. I'm studying second MPC GDC College, Rajul.
Yeah, go on. So
May
what
I
do you
know your name? Sorry to interrupt you. May I know your name, ma, once?
This is
What's
Pavnika,
the
ma'am.
Pavani?
I'm studying second MPC Government Junior College, Rajul, ma'am.
Yeah, thank
East
you.
Godavari district.
Yeah, go on. Go on, Pavani. What do you know about yourself? Or else introduce yourself.
My hobbies are watching TV.
Your hobbies are?
Watching movie, reading books, listening music.
You're watching TV, listening to music. Okay. So, what is the recent movie you have watched? Or
Crack.
what type of movie you like?
I like fighting movies, violent movies.
Okay, you like. Okay.
Violent movies.
Okay.
Because I'm a violent person.
Because I can't hear
I'm
you.
a violent person.
Once again.
She is a violent person. Am I right? Pavani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. She has violence
You
in
don't
her.
look like that, ma. Yeah, you're always smiling.
So here it says that face is not the index of the mind.
Yeah.
She seems so soft and she's so violent. So
Yeah.
that it seems that she face is not the index of the mind then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Disturbance. Okay. Thank you, Pavni. Yes. It's yeah, Shashi, you can answer, ma. Shashi Kumar.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amma. Yeah, go on.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, we are fine. Thank you, Sasi.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we are good,
My
ma.
name is K. S. Kumar, ma'am. My name is K. S. Kumar, ma'am.
Yes, Sasi Kumar.
Yes.
K. S. Kumar, ma'am. I'm studying second CSC, ma'am.
You can CSC.
Government Junior College, Podvaram, West Godavari district, ma'am.
Okay.
West Godavari district, ma'am. Podvaram Junior College.
Yes,
GGC.
yes. Go on.
My hobbies are playing games and reading books and watching movies and playing cricket. I like ice cream, ma'am.
You are foodie. So,
And
which
etc.,
flavor do
ma'am.
you like most?
And etc., ma'am.
Kashi?
Ma'am.
Yes. Which flavor do you like the most?
Kabaddi.
Yeah, in ice creams, you like ice cream, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which flavor do you like the most?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Which flavor do you like the most in ice creams? Flavor like
Flavor?
butterscotch, vanilla, chocolate.
Strawberry. Strawberry, ma'am.
Oh, you like strawberry.
Yes, ma'am.
Good one. Okay. So then, can you tell me what are the books you have read up to now? ఏ books చదివారు బాగా? ఏది ఇష్టం మీకు బాగా? You like reading books, right?
Library books, ma'am.
Okay. So can you name any one book?
Ma'am?
Can you name any one book?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Can you name any one book?
book. Oh, only one name book, ma'am.
Yeah.
Freedom Fighters, ma'am. Freedom Fighters.
Very good.
Okay, you have read about freedom fighters. Very good, Amma. Very good. Okay. Which freedom fighter do you like?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, ma'am.
Very good.
B.R. Ambedkar garu. Very good. Very good, Amma. Okay. Can you tell me a few lines about him?
Ma'am?
Can you tell me a few lines about
Ma'am, your voice cut out, ma'am.
Sasi, can you tell about B.R. Ambedkar? Few lines. Yes.
Ambedkar.
What do you know? Tell that one. It's enough.
Ambedkar was great freedom fighter, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, continue, Sasi. What do you know about him? You can say that one.
Ambedkar is Ambedkar, Ranji, Ambedkar, also.
Do you know where he...
Ambedkar also, as Baba Saheb Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer who inspired the draft Budgist movement and campaigned and against social discrimination towards untouchable. The town was renamed as Ambedkar Nagar in 2003 by the government of Madhya Pradesh, etc.
That's
Thank you.
yeah.
Yeah, you have given a nice information and you're very good. But Sasi, that is not Keno, no. K is silent there. K-N-O-W, no, you said, no, that Keno. Don't pronounce the K. It's a silent letter. Pronounce it as no. K-N-O-W, no. Okay. Thank you, Sasi.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your turn now.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, B.R. Ambedkar garu, he fought against discrimination, right? So he's a social reformer. He's a politician. Yeah, that's a great information, Sashi. Thank you so much. Yeah, good one. Yes, let me. Anyone? Yeah, Sandeep is ready. I think so. Yeah, Sandeep, mute yourself. Mama. Unmute yourself, Mama. Ma'am Pranita, ma'am, please unmute P. Uday Kumar.
I'll unmute.
Yes, go on, Amma. Unmute yourself and speak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
My name is K. Sandeep, ma'am. Government GJC Polavaram,
West Godavari district. I am studying second BPC, ma'am. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
Okay. Playing cricket.
Ma'am?
You like playing cricket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you a bowler or are you a batsman?
Batsman, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many members will be there in a cricket team?
Ma'am?
How many members will be there in a cricket team?
11 members, ma'am.
11 members. Can you explain me each role? How many batsmen will be there? How many bowlers will be there? Or
Batsman, 2 batsmen, ma'am.
okay,
And 5 bowlers, ma'am.
okay. Yeah. Is there any other persons who are involved in cricket?
Dhoni, ma'am.
Okay. So you like Dhoni?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you like him?
Nice batsman, helicopter shots.
Okay. There are many cricketers. Why do you like most about Dhoni?
Can I repeat question, ma'am?
So there are many cricketers, right? Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, and so on. Why do you like Dhoni the most?
Wicket keeping, nice batsman, ma'am. All rounder.
Okay. He's an all-rounder. Okay.
And captain.
Okay. He's a good captain.
Good captain, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Is
Thank
there
you, ma'am.
anything you want to say?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. Good answers.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's go for other question. Can you define me about what is communication? Communication. What is communication? Or define communication. కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? అసలు కమ్యూనికేషన్ జరుగుతుందా? వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్? ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? యా శశి. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, communication is the act of conveying meanings from entirely to group of another to the use of mutual understood signs, symbols, and the semiotic rules. The main steps and inherent of all communication, the formation of communicative or reason. Communications are Latin word which means to share. It is the sharing of information between different individuals. It includes the.
He's Sandeep, I think so. Okay. Okay then. So, is there anyone to answer that question? ఇంకెవరైనా చెప్తారా? What is...
Children, may I know the name of the person who has answered for this communication?
I think Sandeep, no? Sandeep.
If it is Sandeep, Sasi Kumar, he answered, no, ma'am?
No, in
Yes,
Sashi Kumar's,
Because from that ID, Sasi Kumar and Sandeep is also responding.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
So can you type the name in the chat box? Is it Saisi or Sandeep or any other? Can you type the name of that person in the chat box? Who has responded?
Meanwhile, Shanti is ready with his answer. Shanti, you can unmute yourself and answer. We are having an active participation from 3 colleges. Yes, Amma.
Can I repeat question, ma'am?
Okay. So now someone has answered about communication, right? Who is that person? May I know his name? ఇప్పుడు కమ్యూనికేషన్ చెప్పారు కదమ్మా. కెన్ ఐ నో హిస్ నేమ్? శశి దాంట్లోంచి చెప్పారు. ఎవరు? శశి చెప్పారా లేకపోతే ఇంకెవరైనా చెప్పారా?
Sandeep ma'am. Sandeep ma'am.
Yeah.
This is my mobile.
Yeah, available 2 videos. One. ఉదయ్ కుమార్ దాంట్లో మీరే ఉన్నారు. శశి దాంట్లో కూడా మీరే ఉన్నారు. గుడ్ వన్.
GJC Polavaram ma'am.
Yeah,
Polavaram.
got it.
Thank you ma'am.
Yes. So Chanti ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారా? You raise your hand. Do you want to answer, ma?
Chanti.
సో చంటి మీ దగ్గర ఇంకేమైనా మొబైల్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటే వాటిని మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టేసేయండి అమ్మా. ఇది ఒక్కటే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. గో ఆన్ చంటి. Okay. So how many types of communications are there? What are they? Can anyone say about it? Yeah, SKPG and Junior College. Answer, you are in unmute. Answer.
You Priyanka.
Only webcams.
My name is you Priyanka ma'am.
That's Shiva Priyanka. Go on, Amma. Yeah, Shiva Priyanka, do you want to answer?
My name is Priyanka.
Yes, go on. Priyanka, you are from which college, Amma?
Ma'am.
You are from which college?
SKPG and Junior College ma'am. And Ramchandrapuram ma'am.
Government Junior College, Ramchandrapuram.
Ramchandrapuram. Okay. East Godavari district.
Yes ma'am.
Okay then. Yeah, tell me.
What name ma'am?
How many types of communications are there? What are they? Or else you can also define communication.
Communication. Ma'am, myself Sujita.
Yes, Sujita.
I'm studying intermediate second year MPC at East Godavari district GJC Rajmahendravaram ma'am.
Yeah.
Communications 5 types ma'am. Verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written communication, listen communication, and visual communication, ma'am.
So, what do you mean by verbal communication, Sujita? Do you know about verbal communication?
Verbal
Or else
communication
any communication, you know.
occurs when we engage in speaking with others, ma'am.
Okay.
Non-verbal communication is what we do while we speak often says more than the actual words, ma'am.
Okay.
Written communications means email, memo, report, any social media, ma'am. Twitter, Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Listen communications means anyone tells about her anything, we are listen.
Okay.
That is listening communication, ma'am. Visual means we can see anything, that is visual communication, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say some of the examples for visual communication?
Movies, ma'am.
Okay.
Zoom meeting. This is Viva OC.
So, can movies comes under verbal communication also or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So, movies comes under oral communication or not?
Once again, repeat the question, ma'am.
Can movies comes under oral communication or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, what do you mean by oral communication?
Oral means spoken or written, ma'am. We can spoke anything or write anything, ma'am.
Okay. So oral communication comes under speaking words. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me about what do you mean by telecommunication?
Telecommunications means non-verbal communication, ma'am.
Okay, non-verbal communication. Okay. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you, Sujita. Thank you for your answers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sujita, claps to you.
Yeah.
Of course, telecommunication means communication which is from distant places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Someone
you,
is
Sujita.
sharing here. What is telecommunication? Telecommunication. Or else, what do you mean by written communication? Or else, what is written communication? Can you name some of the examples for written communication? Already Sujita has answered. Can anyone tell me about written communication and some examples for written communication? Okay. Okay, let me ask a basic question. So, how many of you read a newspaper? Just show me a thumbs up. How many of you are read newspaper? Did you read newspapers daily? So, if you read your newspapers, what is the advantage of reading newspapers? What is the advantage of reading newspapers daily? Can anyone answer? Can I ask someone? Yes. Sandhya Rani, are you there? Sandhya Rani. Okay. Swapna?
Unmute yourself, Sandhya Rani.
Yes, Sandhya Rani. Do you like reading newspapers? Or what is the advantage of reading newspapers daily? Chiranjeevi. Chiranjeevi? Yeah, those two girls can answer.
To acquire knowledge.
Yes, someone is answering. Say your name, your college name, and then answer. Yeah, Chiranjeevi, చెప్పండి.
Good morning, ma'am. And my name is Anshita. College name is.
Good morning, madam.
Yeah. Good morning, Andy. Good morning. So, do you like reading newspapers? I'm good, ma'am. Good. Thank you for asking. And how are you?
Thanks. Fine, madam.
Yeah.
And government GJC College Nursing Pet, madam.
Okay, Narsipeta. Which district?
Srikakulam.
Srikakulam district. Okay. So, what are the advantages you find of reading newspapers?
Madam, general knowledge
Okay.
and to improve our speaking skills.
Okay. So you can gain general knowledge and you can improve your speaking skills. Okay. And
sports bits and GK bits.
okay, you can know about your sports and GK is general knowledge, so you can gain general knowledge. And you can also prepare for your competitive exams. So
And current affairs.
Yeah, good thing. Current affairs. Okay. So, okay. Do you like sports?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So, what do you like most or what are your hobbies?
Yeah. My hobbies are reading books.
Okay.
And listening songs, madam.
Oh, you like listening music. Okay.
Yes.
So, what song do you like? So, recently, we gained song nachindi.
Yes, Noven Red movie song, madam.
Okay, red songs you like. Okay, good thing. Okay. What type of music do you listen most?
Yes, madam.
What type of music do you listen most?
Silent songs, madam.
Silent songs. Okay, melodious songs and silent songs. Okay, that's a good one answer. Thank you, Navi.
Thank you, madam.
Someone raised hand. Evarama raise chesaru? Some college. Okay. So, can anyone say the advantages of reading newspapers? So, Naveen has answered well. Thank you, Naveen. Good answers. Yeah. SKPGN Junior College have raised yeah, Palaraju. Admit yourself and answer. Palraju, unmute yourself and answer. If possible, please on your webcam.
Hello, hi madam. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Amma. Who is this?
Dadal Palraj madam.
Okay.
Madam, tomorrow online class unda madam.
Just answer, Palraju.
Pidapuram College madam. RRBHL.
Okay.
East Godavari district.
Okay. So,
Madam, namaste. Etla unnaru?
I'm good, Ma. How are you? Is there anyone to answer? Is there anyone to answer? Okay. So let me go for other question. And interesting question. If you were a bird, what would you do? మీరు ఒక పక్షి అయితే ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? If you were a bird, మీరు ఒక పక్షి అయితే what are the things you want to do? Anyone can answer. Yes, sir. SKPGN Junior College. Just unmute yourself and answer.
I will go to anywhere.
I will go to anywhere.
Okay. Before that, just tell me your name and college name, Mama. Yeah, tell me. You want to fly for different places, right? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
which place do you want to visit? Is there any specific place you want to visit?
Antarctic, ma'am. Atlantic, sir.
What is it?
Atlantic, ma'am.
Okay, Atlantic Ocean. Why is
Icebergs,
that
ma'am.
specific place? Do you like that place most?
Iceberg, ma'am.
Okay, why do you like? Why do you like it?
Icebergs, ma'am.
Okay.
Icebergs,
So
ma'am.
we can find icebergs there. Okay. And
అంతే, ma'am.
is there any other place you want to visit?
No, ma'am.
No.
What is the question, ma'am?
What is it, ma'am?
అర్థం అవట్లేదు. వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది మ్యామ్ ఇది.
The question
Okay.
is, if you are a
Is
bird.
there any other place you want to?
Once more repeat, ma'am. Once more repeat, ma'am.
ఎస్ మీరు ఆడిబుల్ గానే ఉన్నారమ్మా, చెప్పొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ మీరు పక్షి అయితే ఇంకేం పని చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ యూ వాంట్ టు విజిట్ సమ్ ప్లేసెస్. ఓకే, సో మీ ఫేవరెట్ ప్లేస్ విజిట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు. ఇంకేం చేస్తారు?
I like different food.
What you want to do?
I eat different fruits, ma'am.
She wants to eat different fruits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What fruit do you like?
Apple, ma'am. Apple, mango.
Okay. Strawberries and
Yes, ma'am.
Mango.
mango,
Apple, watermelon, extra. Etc.
Okay.
What is your name, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah, my name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Hepsiba. I am Hepsiba, and I teach personality development classes. Okay. We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
another teacher here, Parvati ma'am. Is English classes for you. Okay.
ma'am.
So, do you like personality development classes? Classes make online classes, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే ఏమైనా టాపిక్స్ మీకు క్లాసెస్ లో గుర్తున్నాయా చెప్పనివి పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కానీ ఏమైనా టాపిక్స్ జస్ట్ టాపిక్స్ నేమ్స్ చెప్పగలరా
ఫస్ట్
ఎనీవన్ కెన్ ఆన్సర్ సో మీకు ఇష్టమైన టాపిక్ మన ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ నుంచి పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ నుంచి కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ నుంచి కానీ మీకు ఏమైనా నచ్చిన టాపిక్ ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా ఎనీవన్ మనకి పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో 8 టాపిక్స్ అయినాయి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 టాపిక్స్ అయినాయి ఏమైనా టాపిక్స్ గుర్తున్నాయా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా జస్ట్ టాపిక్ నేమ్స్ just raise your hand yeah angry boy Surya you can also answer yes Raju bhai come on Raju unmute yourself and answer yeah Raju unmute yourself and answer Pranita ma'am can you unmute Raju what are the topics you have known about in personality development classes or English classes or else can you frame any sentences using may English class lo నేర్చుకుని ఉంటారు already can you frame any sentences using may if you know just raise your hand frame any sentences using may I no one okay I'll ask someone then Sandhya sorry Sandhya Kakinada KKD Sandhya, are you there Sneha you can say your topics or else you can frame any 5 questions using may Ashok చెప్తారా జస్ట్ టాపిక్స్ చెప్తే చాలు పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో మీరేం విన్నారు లేదా ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ లో మీరేం విన్నారు చెప్పండి ఆర్ ఎల్స్ యూ క్యాన్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూజింగ్ మే యా సూర్య raised hand Unmute yourself and speak. Yes. Surya, just unmute చేసుకోండి. Okay, Ashok, you can also unmute.
Hi, Stacey, may I come in, madam?
Yeah, someone is answering. Ashok, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అశోక్ చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టారు. జస్ట్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ స్పీక్. ఏమైంది? అన్మ్యూట్ చేయడం కష్టంగా ఉందా? జస్ట్ టైప్ బాక్స్ లో చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, సో మీన్ వైల్ సమ్మన్ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. సో జస్ట్ పర్మిషన్స్ అడుగుతాం కదా, పర్మిషన్స్ అడిగినప్పుడు వి క్యాన్ యూజ్ మే యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం పర్మిషన్స్ అడగచ్చు. సో కెన్ యూ ఫ్రేమ్ ఎనీ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్? ఏదో ఒక క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేసి చెప్పగలరా? యా, జి విజయ్ కుమార్ ఇస్ ఇన్ అన్మ్యూట్. మాట్లాడచ్చండి.
May I ride bicycle, madam?
Okay, what is it?
May I ride bicycle?
Okay, may I ride bicycle? Okay.
May I come in?
May I come in?
I am going to tour. May I go to tour?
May I
Go to tour, ma'am.
go to tour? Okay.
Good morning.
Yes, 2 more. 2 more questions you can frame. May I go to tour? May I come in?
May I ride bicycle?
So when do you ask? Yes. When do you ask the question, may I come in? ఎప్పుడు అడుగుతాం అమ్మ may I come in అని? ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మనం అడుగుతాం ఆ క్వశ్చన్? సూర్య, ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో మనం ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాము may I come in అని?
Madam, sorry to interrupt you. Surya, may I know you are from which college? Surya, you are from which college?
RVHR college, madam, Pittapuram.
RV?
RRBHR Pittapuram, madam.
RRBHR Pittapuram. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Surya, can you tell me ఏ సందర్భాల్లో మనం మే ఐ కమ్ ఇన్ అన్న క్వశ్చన్ వాడతాము?
క్లాస్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు అడుగుతాం మేడం.
ఓకే. Classrooms?
Madam?
You can ask a question while entering into the classroom. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And then?
May I take notebook?
ఇంకేమైనా సందర్భాలు ఉన్నాయా? మే ఐ
Take your notebook.
ఓకే, మే ఐ టేక్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్? గుడ్ వన్. Any other question? You have okay. You have framed 4 questions. Good one, Surya. Thank you so much. Yeah. Good thing. So the last final question. So our answer cheptara chustanu. Okay, simple question. Can you name the synonym for beautiful? Can you name the synonyms for beautiful and frame the sentences for it using the synonym? So synonym ante మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా. Can you name the synonym for beautiful?
మేడం చాలా బాగుందిరా.
Okay, so you are looking gorgeous. Okay, one of the synonym for beautiful is gorgeous. Yes. Any other? Yeah, Surya, thank you, ma. Nice, good answer.
You are very cute.
Okay. So,
are
who's
very
asking? May I
marvelous.
know your name, please?
Myself, I'm Sujita, ma'am.
Yeah, Suchita.
Studying
You're from?
at East Godavari District, Rajmahendravaram Government Junior College, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. So the other synonym for beautiful is?
Marvelous, ma'am.
Okay. Marvelous. So can you frame a sentence for it?
You are so pretty.
You are very marvelous girl.
Okay, you are marvelous girl. Okay.
You are so pretty, ma'am.
You are so pretty.
You are
Yeah,
looking
Neeraza.
so pretty, ma'am.
You are looking so pretty. Okay, so the other one is pretty. Can take. Okay. So, ma'am, Parvati ma'am, can you say about it?
Yes, ma'am, but Sujita's already answered. Some other girl also answered. No, may know her name. Sujita,
Neeraza.
along with you, Sujita, along with you, some other girl answered for pretty and cute. Are there any friends of you with Sujita?
Ma'am?
Yeah, do you have your friends with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, some other girl answered cute.
That is
may
from
know her name.
Munni
Yeah,
team.
Munni ma'am.
Munni team.
Munni team, may I know who answered that question? Is that Neeraza? Munni?
No, ma'am. Havila.
Yeah, may I know who answered that question, Munni? You have Neeraza, Munni, Manish, Shruti, some girls are there, no? Group of girls. May I know who answered? Yeah, who answered Neeraza? Is that Neeraza answered?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Neeraza. So you are from GJC Rajol, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Neeraza, which class are you studying? Which group you are studying, Neeraza?
Second by PC.
Second by PC. Thank you. Thank you, children.
Yeah. So that's a lovely session today. Thank you, Ma. Someone has answered very well.
So all of them few children participated actively and answered confidently also. You have answered confidently. I'm very happy to be with you all today. Thank you. Are learning good and be like this. Learn more. My suggestion is that to learn a language, you have to practice only by speaking. Whenever you get chance to speak, speak more. Either it may be right or wrong, you have to practice it. Then you can master this language. This is my suggestion. Many of you participated actively. I'm happy for that. And Hepzibah ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah, I to find many students are answering. That's a very good thing. Learn new things daily. So practice like synonyms. Rojkoka synonym నేర్చుకోవడానికి try చేయండమ్మా. And practice speaking. Okay. So by that you can learn English. Right. And thank you for this wonderful session. I loved it. And most of the students have answered. Thank you for that. And let us meet in other sessions also. It's nice meeting you all. And I would like to thank Pranita ma'am for bearing us.
I just wanted to give you one thing that you teenagers or youngsters, for you nothing is impossible. You can make everything possible. So don't feel inferior, like I can't speak, like inferior that I can't speak English. If you practice it, you can master this language. Master this language. This is the age to learn. This is the age to learn and do anything. So please, don't make anything as impossible. Make everything as possible. Okay. Practice speaking more, whether it is right or wrong, whatever it may be. One fine day, you will be the best in that. We know that practice makes a man perfect. So to become perfect, practicing. How can you practice? The way of practice is only by speaking. So whenever you get chance, you don't leave that, and if possible, take chance to speak. Okay. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you, Aptiva. Over to you, ma'am. Over to you,
Thank
Pranita.
you so much to Hepzibah ma'am and Parvati ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today's session. Ma'am, shall I conclude the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.